Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a try-on and first impressions of the new PatrickStarrr and MAC collaboration. I've got the Me So Chic collection over here and the Me So Fleek collection over here. So let's do this. After I went to Patrick's masterclass, I was so excited to get my hands on his new collection. I immediately went home, I ordered it online, and a couple of days later it arrived at my front door, and I have not touched it since it's gotten here. Honestly, I can't even believe I've held off this long, especially since I've been dying to dive into these boxes here. Of course, I've already seen what the collection looks like, so there will be no surprises with what's included in the boxes here, but I thought I would save all of this for on-camera first impressions so you can experience it for the first time as well as me experiencing it for the first time. I don't even know if that made any sense. So if you're interested in finding out what I think about this collection, make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. The first box I have here is the Me So Fleek, and I'm cracking it open. Oh guys, like it's actually packaged really nicely. I've got this purple tissue paper in here. Oh my god, these are so cute. So this is a lip gloss in Queen P, and it's a really nice bright pink. Damn. And then we've got Hey Boy Hey over here in a lipstick, and it is this beautiful purple color. My goodness. Let's keep going. Oh, I didn't know these cards came with it. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. It actually shows you how you can wear this collection, which I'm always a fan of because I never have any idea how to put colors together and create a look, and this actually looks pretty damn fleek. And on the back of the card, Patrick has a little message here. It says, spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. XOXO PatrickStarrr. That's so cute. I love it. What else do we have in here? I think this is the blush split pan. Yes, it is. This packaging, guys, is so pretty. This is the Take Me Home Blush Duo. Oh, those are nice. They're probably a little too deep for me, to be honest with you. I would have to use a very, very light hand if I was going to put this on my skin. And then over here, we've got the eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so pretty. Alrighty, so that was the Me So Fleek box. I've got the Me So Chic box over here. And I remember Patrick saying the Me So Chic is more of a subdued look as opposed to the Me So Fleek, which is for those badass bitches out there. And not gonna lie, some days I feel like a badass bitch. Oh, here's the lip gloss in Mama Star Kiss. Oh, it's so pretty. This is a nice sort of champagne color. It's got a little bit of gold reflex in there as well. And then we've got the lipstick called Sweet Mama Star. And this is a beautiful sort of pinky nude color. I can't wait to put that on. And here's the other blush duo. This one is called I'm Not Blushing. That's cute. Okay, now these colors are certainly up my alley. They are beautiful. And the eyeshadow palette, oh yes, we are going purple, baby. I love these colors. They look so good. And of course, this came with another card, and you can see how Patrick has put together this particular look here, which is certainly a lot softer than this bolder look over here. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I'm gonna recreate this look here. Might be a bit of a challenge as well because I'm not quite sure how all of this actually comes together, and I'm definitely going to be using the Me So Fleek eye quad. The first thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of primer. I am going to be using my MAC Pearl Longwear paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. This is going to help the eyeshadow adhere to the eye a little bit more and also help colors pop. I'm using a Morphe M705 brush to apply the primer. mirror. I'm just gonna grab this honkin' mirror here. I actually picked this up from Winners a few weeks back and I was so impressed with it. It's actually from Impressions Vanity and it has an LED light around it. Sorry, it's gonna go a little bit dark on my camera. So if you need something to really illuminate your face and get right in there, you can certainly use a mirror like this. I really, really like it. And of course, I'm gonna set that with a little bit of powder. The first color I'm gonna dive in with is this one here. It's called All's Rosy. This is the one I'm gonna put straight into my crease and just a little bit above that. Oh my God. MAC shadows never disappoint, eh? I've really been loving my Wayne Goss brushes lately. They're just so soft on the eyes and they don't scratch. I think I'm gonna have to start replacing some of the brushes that I have because they're just getting a little too rough on my eyes. Taking the same brush, I'm gonna go into this pink color here called Hickey. I play with so many other eyeshadow formulas that I forget how awesome MAC shadows actually are. This one here, I'm gonna try and keep on the outer corner of my eye and I'm just going to take it to the midpoint, but I'm not going to go in any further. I'm also using it to smoke out the outer corner just a little bit. That pink is really, really pigmented. Can you see that? My goodness. Now I'm gonna go in with this really bright blue color called In the Shadows. And it's funny because during Patrick's seminar, he was talking about naming this color and he originally wanted to call it Blue Balls. Unfortunately, MAC didn't really go for that name, so he went with In the Shadows instead. Now, how real that is, I don't know, but it was pretty damn funny. I'm now gonna use a slightly more precise brush. This is still from Wayne Goss. This is the number 20 and I'm going to use in Living Pink next. So I'm just going to dip into that very lightly and what I'm going to do is actually go in with my inner corner and move the shade upwards. So I'm going to sort of join the pink on the outside with the pink that's going to be on my inner corner. I'm going to go back into this blue color here with a Morphe E11 brush and I'm going to use this on my lower lash line. I'm going to be really, really gentle with this. I am going to smoke out my lower lash line a little bit using this color here and this Morphe M562 brush. So I'm just going to dab in there lightly, tap off the excess, and just smoke out that lower lash line. Slight change in plans. That brush wasn't doing what I needed it to do, so I'm going in with my little Makeup Forever pencil brush. I'm going to grab some of that pigment back on my brush, duh, and smoke out my lower lash line now. I feel like that really brought the whole look together. I really, really like it. What do you guys think so far? Is it looking good? Or is it looking awful? I'm now gonna add some mascara, eyeliner, and false lashes, but I'm gonna do that off camera and I will be right back. My eyeliner, mascara, and lashes are now on, and I also added a little bit of this pencil here. This is an eye kohl from MAC in the shade Fascinating. It's just a white liner pencil, essentially, and I put that in my waterline just to open up my eyes a little bit more, and I'm really loving how this look has turned out. I think it is fantastic. Please don't judge my lashes. This is probably the last time I'll be able to wear these because the band is just looking a little ratchet right now. Can't even lie, it actually took me a couple of shots to get these lashes on my eyes, and this is the best that I could do. At one point I also glued my eye shut, which is why my eye is red right now. So again, ignore that too. Sometimes makeup just doesn't work the way you want it to, but what are you gonna do? You're just gonna roll with it, right? Sticking to the Me So Fleek collection, I am gonna go into this blush here. It's called Take Me Home. I do think this is a little too deep for my skin tone, but I'm gonna use a very light hand and just make it work. I'm gonna use my Morphe E4 brush and literally just dabbing so gently because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Oh. Well, hello. I thought this was gonna be a lot darker, but that worked. So again, just mixing the two together very, very lightly. So this blush is not for the faint of heart. This is going to be something that does stand out quite a bit, and I'm actually okay with that because I have really oily skin and blush is one of the first things that basically melts off of my face. So having a bit of a stronger blush at the beginning of the night is not necessarily a bad thing. And I really want to try both of these lip colors out. I am going to go in with the cream lipstick first in Hey Boy Hey. I am going to grab a lip liner for this because I have a feeling I'm not going to get clean lines with this color. And I'm actually just going to use one of the Kylie lip liners in the shade Spice. I love the smell of MAC lipsticks. It's this really lovely vanilla. Oh, and this lip liner is perfect with this lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, which I wasn't expecting. I actually thought it was gonna be one of the cream lipsticks. It's not necessarily a bad thing. I really like this color, although now I feel like I have a lot going on my face. What do you guys think of this lipstick? The color is beautiful, and Nicole, if you're out there watching right now, this definitely reminds me of Junebug, one of your favorite purple lipsticks, so I think you're gonna like this one. It is really pretty and really flattering. Now I'm gonna go in with some of this pink gloss. I wanna see what that's gonna look like over top of this lipstick. Oh wow! There's the lipstick with the gloss on top of it, and not gonna lie, I think I actually like it better with the gloss on top. So that's what that looks like. Now I'm going to take off this lip and I'm just gonna put on the gloss. Oh my god, that is so pigmented. Wow. I really like this pink gloss. It looks beautiful, and I think it actually does complement the look a lot more than the purple lipstick. So here is the official completed floral realness look using the Me So Fleek collection from PatrickStarrr and MAC Cosmetics. I really love how all of the eyeshadows blended out. They were very, very easy to work with, super pigmented as you guys saw. The blush was also really beautiful. I actually didn't think I could pull it off, but here I am rocking it and loving it. I really like the color of this lipstick. I think it is beautiful. I'm not a huge fan of the matte formula, but it is what it is. You can definitely make it work with a nice gloss, which is of course why this gloss was also introduced probably in the collection. This beautiful bright pink is stunning, and I think it's gonna look good on multiple skin tones as well. The gloss is quite comfortable on my lips. It's not sticky, but it is a little bit on the thicker side. So if you tend to prefer more of a watery sort of gloss formula, then this one might not be the best fit for you, but I feel like it looks really, really good, and hopefully it's got some decent staying power as well. Overall, Patrick did not disappoint with this collection. It is absolutely stunning, and I love how he put the two kits together, which makes it really easy to create a few different looks. The only downside to this collection, if you would even consider it a downside, is that it does come in kits. So if you only want one of the blushes, or if you only want the eyeshadow quad or gloss or whatever, you cannot buy them individually. It does come together in a boxed set, which again is not a bad thing. It could work out really great for some people, especially since the price point is actually very, very reasonable. And that's gonna do it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this style of sort of seeing my first impressions and also watching me try on the collection. If you did, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. You can also connect with me on all of my social media. I'm gonna make sure to link everything for you in the description box below. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you are having an amazing day, no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!